Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your Facebook story showing a black screen or not loading problem? See, this is the problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and scroll down. Now tap on the Facebook and tap on the force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now click on the storage, clear cache or clear data, delete the data, go back. Now tap on the permission option and allow all permission, calendar allow, call logs allow, camera allow, and contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos. Okay, allow all permission. Okay, go back and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi connected. Okay, now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to your Play Store and now search here Facebook app. Now tap on the Facebook and check update your Facebook app. My Facebook app already updated. Okay, now open your Facebook and click on the stories. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube.